Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Haute Bella experience. In today's video, you guys, I am trying out some new lashes. Yes, it is new lash time. If you have been following me for any period of time, you know that I've tried out several different type of lashes from different brands and also different types of eyelash extension glue. Now, before I go any further, I want to mention that I am just sharing with you guys my experiences with my DIY eyelash extension installs. I am not a professional. I don't recommend that you do this at home, but this is what I'm doing and I am sharing it with you. So should you try to do your own lashes at home using any of these products or using any of the techniques that I'm using here, you're doing that at your own risk. I like eyelash strips, right? But I like wearing eyelash extensions if I know that I want to have that volume in my eyelashes for a period of time. So for example, we're in the holiday season. I know that I'm going to be moving around quite a bit and I want to be able just to get up and do the least to get myself ready for the day, right? I've already got my eyebrows microbladed, so I don't have to worry about that. But it's really nice when I have the eyelash extensions because I can just get up and go, right? I don't have to worry about putting on the strip. It's just get up, get ready, and I'm out the door. And for today's video, I am going to be using the DIY eyelash extensions from Gollee. Gollee sent these lashes over to me to give them a try. So in this package, you actually get the lashes themselves. I chose F10 as the style of lash for me. These are flare lashes, so they're going to have that flare type of look to them. And in this package, you get various lengths. And having the various lengths makes it easy for you to get a more realistic looking lash extension or lash design or lash mapping, in my opinion. So in this package, it looks like I've got a 16-inch. It looks like these two rows may be a 14-inch. And then the shorter one here is a 10 or a 12-inch, but this is definitely the shorter length of these lashes, and this would go on the inner corner. And the longer lashes, normally I try to keep on the outer corner to kind of give me a little bit of that cat eye type of lift on the outer part of my eye. And then it also came with the glue. This is the glue, so I'll be using this today. It also came with some tweezers. So this is really nice. I'll be using these tweezers to install my lashes. And it also came with a little packet that has these little pads in it. And I think these are sterilization pads. I'll have to check to make sure that that's what that is, but that's what they look like. And also the little cap there that I'll use to help to poke a hole in the glue. So that's going to help the glue to come out of the bottle. So that's everything that came in the lash kit. And Gollee also sent over their Botanical Lash Shampoo. And this shampoo came with this brush. This is a really cute little brush to use with it. I've already used this to prep my eyelashes for this application today. So this is really nice packaging, but this just pops off. It's a foam, so I just took one little pump like that. And I placed that on my lids. I used this brush and I did a downward type of motion and then a gentle upward type of motion and then patted my eye area dry. So this is just a foam that is good for cleansing before you apply your lashes. And also this lash shampoo can be used during the time that you're wearing the lashes to help clean your lashes on a daily basis. Now that's really interesting for me because that leads me to the thought that this is going to be a waterproof application, right? So with this glue is going to be waterproof, so I should be able to wash my face. I should be able to gently shampoo my lashes using my brush here gently to remove any dirt, debris, even makeup, right? Because I am going to be taking you along the journey or the lifespan of these lashes the same way I do all the time. So I'm going to do the install and then you guys are going to see how these lashes wear. I'm thinking that I'm probably maybe going to get maybe 2 weeks wear out of these lashes, but that's good because it's going to give me a chance to wear makeup, remove the makeup, to do all the things that I would normally do on a daily basis, just to see how long these lashes hold up and to see how comfortable they are on my eye. So I think we've talked about everything. So let's get started applying the lashes. So as I mentioned, I have already used the Botanical Lash Shampoo to prep my eyelashes, and they are now dry. I've given them enough time to dry. I'm going to take one of my disposable spoolies here, and I am just going to gently brush through my natural lashes. And I'm going to start off by using the 14-inch here. So this is going to be the 2 center rows here. I'm going to start off using those. I used to start off using the longer lengths of the lash and then start from the outer part of my eye and work my way inward. But I changed my technique a little bit because I found that I would end up with one eye not looking too much like the other, because we're not symmetrical beings, right? Everything about us is asymmetrical. So, you know, one eye is a little bit larger than the other, so I would end up needing more lashes on one eye than I did the other. But I found that if I start off using a medium type of lash more towards the center of my eye, work my way out, and then just fill in the corners, that works much better. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start off using this length of lash. So I've got one lash here. You can see that. So these are flares, and there's an actual lash band that's right there, if you can see that. I'm going to be placing the glue on the lash band itself and then putting it on my eye. I use a simple paper plate just like this. I put my lashes on top of it. I'm also going to put my glue on top of it as well. So I'm going to shake my glue really well. And unscrew the top. Got the top off. I'm going to take my little pin here, put this over the top like this, and push down. Poke the hole in it, and you can see where that's coming out right there. And I've got this little MAC eyelash container here. That's what I'm going to put my glue on. Let me clean this off real quick, and that's what I'm going to put my glue on. I'm just going to use some of the alcohol here, and I'm going to go ahead and clean off a little MAC case here and my little tweezers, just to make sure everything is nice and sanitized. All right, I've also got my little fan handy here, just in case I need to blow some air around my eye area here to either help the glue to dry or maybe even to eliminate some type of irritation that I could possibly get. I'm hoping that's not the case, but I'm just prepared either way. So here's a little dot of glue that I have right there. We're just going to dip the little band into the glue like that and put this right there. And I'm just using the back of the tweezer just to kind of get it into a little bit better position for me. Let that sit there and just kind of dry there for a second. Use my little fan. And I'm going to keep going. This is looking really pretty. I think I'm going to put another shorter one on this side, because even though I'm saying shorter, these are quite long. Give this a little time to dry down. So far I've used 3 of the medium size flares here. So I think I'm gonna go with one more medium. I think I'll place the one more medium right here. And then for the inner corner here, I'm gonna go with one of the shorter ones. And for the outer corner, I think I may only need one of these longer ones, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna keep going. These are really pretty. One thing that I will say to make certain of, and I know that it's probably a little off-putting to see me placing the lashes up under my natural eyelashes, but I'm not putting it way like up under where my true waterline is. I'm putting it right at the base of my natural eyelashes, so that way it doesn't irritate my eyes at all. God, these are looking really pretty. Very soft. Very natural looking so far. So I'm going to keep going. I think I'm going to use one more of this medium length lash here, and I think I'm going to put that on the outer part of my eye. And then I think when I use this longer lash here that I'll actually overlap them just a little bit. I think maybe that would look really nice. Maybe give me a little bit of that cat eye type of look. I think I'm gonna use another little drop of my glue here. So far, I've placed these lashes with just one drop of this glue. Place that one right there. That's still the shorter one. So these are all the same length so far. Really pretty. I'm taking the longer length and I'm gonna place this. So that gives me just a little bit of a little cat eye sway there, so it doesn't droop my eyes down. Oh, but this is looking really pretty. I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out one of the shorter ones. Alright you guys, I've got my first eye done and I really like these. It's a longer lash than what I would normally wear, but I still think that it looks really good. I did not use a lot of glue on the lash band, and I think that's because I don't like it when you use so much glue that the glue actually shows through your lashes. If you are a lash wearer, you know exactly what I'm talking about, but I like to use the least amount of glue to get the adhesive or the stick that I need for them to last for the length of time that I want them to last, but I don't want it to look gunky, you know. I want it to look very clean, very natural. So I'm liking this. This is really pretty. I'm gonna let this finish drying down and I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the other eye. All right, you guys, I am done with both eyes. What do you think? I think that these are very light and very soft and sexy lashes. It's not too much, you know, it's not too much volume where you can't see my lids through the eyelashes. They're a little bit longer than what I would normally wear, but still, you guys are going to go along with me on this little trip here, okay? We're going to try these out. We're going to see how long they last. I'm going to be paying special attention to the maintenance that comes along with these lashes because I've got this Botanical Lash Shampoo here. So this shampoo I can use every day. It's going to keep my eyelashes clean. It's also going to help me with removing makeup from these lashes. So I'm going to be paying attention to all of that. I had originally said that these two rows, this row and this row, were the same length of lash. That is not true. All of these rows represent a different length of lash. This is the longest. I'm thinking that this is probably about a 16. This is a little bit shorter. This is probably a 14. This is a lot shorter. This is probably a 12, and this is probably a 10. I was tempted to build up the volume a little bit to make them a little bit thicker, but I think that since this is my first time using these lashes, I'm gonna leave them as they are. I like the lighter lash type of look that this is giving to me. I think it's gonna go really well with my makeup no makeup days. So see you on my next check-in. All right, you guys, here I am at day 4. This is day 4 of wearing these lashes, and today I did a little bit of makeup on my face. I'm wearing a pencil eyeliner. I'm also wearing a little bit of eyeshadow. These are holding up really, really well. And as for maintenance, I am spooling through these probably twice a day, once in the morning and then at night as part of my nighttime routine. And they are holding on wonderfully. I have gotten them wet. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let's go clean this makeup off of my face because I also want to use my Botanical Lash Shampoo. I've been using this as well. So I want to share the experience of this Botanical Lash Shampoo with you guys. So let's go get this makeup off of my face. Alright you guys, I am here with another check-in for my DIY eyelash extensions from Gollee. And you guys, I am on day 9. So I have had these lashes on now for 9 days, and I have lost one of them. I lost a lash right here in this corner over here. And for me, that was expected because in most cases when I'm wearing eyelash extensions, they tend to lift on the inner corner and the outer corner first. So that's no big surprise, but I think they still look really, really good. So I lost one over here, and on this side, I can see where this right here is starting to lift, right? So I'm probably going to lose that here pretty soon. And this one lash right here in the center is starting to shift on me a little bit. So it's probably loosening up also. But you guys, it's been 9 days, so I'm okay with that. Also, I used the smallest amount of glue. If you guys have ever gotten your lashes professionally done by a lash technician, you actually notice that they use the tiniest amount of glue when they are attaching the eyelash extension to your natural lashes. So I was really mindful when I was applying this glue. I wanted to make certain that I used the least amount of glue as possible. And in doing so, it gave me 9 days of wear. But yeah, this is what 9 days of wear looks like. And on a daily basis too, I'm always spooling through these. Just like that, to keep them fluffed out and really pretty. So I think I'm going to be taking these off in the next couple of days, but I think that they are really, really nice. I think that they are at a really good price point. Gollee is one of the #1 brands in China when it comes to eyelash extension glue and eyelash extensions themselves. These eyelash extensions were very, very comfortable. The band that's on the lash itself is super, super thin. They're handmade. They're very, very light on the eyes. They don't weigh the eyes down at all, and they are very affordable. I really liked these lashes because you guys know I've tried a lot of other lashes, and some of the lashes that fall in the same price point as these lashes, they're not as easy to wear. They don't feel stiff or prickly on the eye, so I really have an appreciation for that. Really, right now, I can honestly say, based upon the price point, these lashes are one of my favorites within a particular price point. If you are one who is interested in or has your own DIY eyelash extension kit at home, and you're looking to add some affordable lashes into that kit that is going to give you long-term wear, when I say long-term wear, at least 10 days, I think Gollee is the way to go. And also, don't forget about the Botanical Lash Shampoo. This is really, really good, and it did not burn my eyes. It did exactly what it said it would do. It removed makeup and debris. I use this every day. I think it really did help with the longevity of these lashes. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.